Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Conduct of plaintiff while restoring the suit for non-prosecution. This is the video on the 2025 SCMR 395 CPC 908 preamble. Process of civil litigation scope. The Civil Procedure Code 1908 is a consolidatory law which is primarily procedural in nature and can be defined as a branch of law in state administering and directing the process of civil litigation. Rules framed under CPC or for advancing dispensation of justice rather than supplementing or complementing it to defeat the ends of justice. Order 9, Rule 8 and 9, restoration of suit application for past conduct of party petitioner defendant was aggrieved of restoration of a suit filed by the responding plaintiff which was dismissed for non-prosecution. Plea raised by the petitioner defendant was that trial court was to see the past conduct of respondent plaintiffs. No obligation was imposed under Order No. Rule 8 and 9 CPC on the court to first consider for past record before the restoring suit its original position. Court was only required to determine whether sufficient cause for non-appearance was made out for the day when suit was dismissed for non-prosecution. Past conduct could be remunerated to assess the seriousness or non-seriousness of party in the litigation. Due to any past recognized conduct, court could impose cause for any default with a warning. Past conduct could be remunerated to assess the seriousness or non-seriousness of a party in litigation. Due to any past recognized conduct, court could impose cause for any default with the warning on the date of hearing was otherwise made out. Supreme Court declined to interfere in the order passed by Honorable High Court confirming restoration of lawsuit which was dismissed for non-prosecution, as there was no illegality or perversity. Petition for leave to appeal was dismissed and leave to appeal was refused. Procedural technicalities. Scope function of court is to administer substantial justice between the parties after providing ample opportunity for hearing, which is significant component and virtue of a trial, free fair trial. Procedure serves as machinery with the object of facilitating and not obstructing the administration of justice. Technical objections has to be construed literally and should not allow to defeat substantial justice. This is a unique judgment on the issue of law which will be highly appreciated in the legal vicinity. Law is there, but application applicability of law is an issue of the day. I think that in future family, civils, and appellate courts, constitutional courts shall do their best for the determination of suits of civil nature dismissal as default. Reliance of these judgments is placed as under. یہ جو آج کا موضوع ہے وہ دعویٰ عدم پیروی خارج ہونے کے اوپر ہے. یہ بڑا جو ہے نا لیٹسٹ جو فیصلہ ہے آنریبل سپریم کورٹ کا کہ اس میں یہ ہیلڈ فرمایا گیا ہے کہ مدعی کا جو دعویٰ ریسٹور ہونے کے بعد مدعی کا جو کنڈکٹ ہے اس کو ضرور دیکھنا چاہیے کہ مدعی یہ کیوں ڈسمسڈ ایز ڈیفالٹ ہوا ہے. تو اس کے لیے یہ بڑی ڈیٹیل ججمنٹ ہے, اس کو پڑھیے گا. اور قانونی مشوروں کے لیے میرا کنٹیکٹ نمبر موجود ہے. مجھے چودھری عبدالغفور گوجر کو اجازت دیجیے. بہت شکریہ. میرا چینل سبسکرائب اور لائکس کریں اور میری ویڈیوز کو کمپلیٹ دیکھیں. بہت شکریہ. تھینک یو. پاکستان زندہ باد.